Hey, friends, it is Julius Washington, your trusted realtor for new construction and all things real estate here in Camden and the greater Columbia areas of South Carolina. Today, we are touring the new construction community of Oldfield Plantation, which is located in Camden, South Carolina. This particular floor plan is called the Dickinson by Lennar Homes. It is a 5 bedroom, 3 bath home and is approximately 2213 square feet. It is priced right starting at $319,499. In this particular Dickinson floor plan, the new two-story home is designed for family living. It showcases an open concept layout among the first floor family room, breakfast room, and the kitchen. Upstairs, it balances a shared living and privacy with a centrally located loft and 5 bedrooms, including the owner's suite, three of which have walk in closets. This home and its modern elevated features are waiting for you in Oldfield Plantation. If you are enjoying the information and the tours that I put out on my YouTube channel, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. More importantly, if I can help you purchase this particular home plan or any home here in Camden or the greater Metro Columbia area, it would truly be my pleasure. In the meantime, enjoy the tour.